Hello children, how you all are? I hope you all are keeping fine children and taking care of yourself. Children, in the last class I have done chapter number 12, composition and structure of the atmosphere. Now children, various structure we have already of atmosphere we have already done. Today we are going to start with ozone layer. Okay, ozone and its depletion. What are the causes of depletion? What is ozone layer? All that I will tell you today in this class. So children, keep on watching the slides also. Now what is ozone? Children, you may not find few things in your book. Don't get confused because I have searched a slide where you will get some more information about the ozone. It may be not there in your book, but this slide will be very helpful to understand the topic. O2, O3 is a formula. A gas composed, this gas is composed of 3 atoms of oxygen. Bluish gas that is harmful to breathe. And nearly 90% of Earth's ozone is in the stratosphere and referred to as the ozone layer. When I have done stratosphere, you know, and that 90% of ozone lies in that layer. Ozone absorbs a band of ultraviolet radiation called UVB. Keep this in mind. Ultraviolet radiation, this is known as UVB. Now you can see the ozone hole here on this slide. So children, now this was ozone. Now next children, we will see that in the next slide that this is the, you can see the layers of ozone. Now how much percent is each layer of the atmosphere? Where in troposphere 10 kilometers. Then this is the distance which is shown. This I have already explained you in the previous classes. So here once again you can see the diagram and you will understand the how much kilometers distance this each layer of atmosphere covers. Now children, this is all about ozone. Now the layer ozone depletion of, these are the formula which is not important for you. So children, this I will not show you. Now what are the here what do you understand by the term ozone depletion? Okay children, ozone layer depletion is simply the wearing out, reduction of the amount of ozone in the atmosphere, stratosphere. You know, depletion means when something is getting smaller and smaller or less in number, less in quantity. So depletion, when something is decreasing. So it is decreasing of the ozone. Unlike pollution, which has many types and causes, ozone depletion has been pinned down to one major: human activity. Now depletion of ozone is due to human activity only. Human beings are responsible for ozone depletion. Industries that manufacture things like insulating foams, solvents, soap, cooling things like air conditioner, refrigerator and takeaway containers use something called chlorofluorocarbon, CFCs. So CFCs, these are the reason of the depletion of the ozone layer. And then children, depletion begins when CFCs get into the stratosphere. Ultraviolet radiation from the sun break up these CFCs. So the ultraviolet rays, this you must be knowing from first also, they are responsible for the breaking of CFCs. Here children, you can see in the diagram, you will understand. And keep save this diagram also children, so that once from time to time you can go through these slides and you will understand how the ultraviolet rays radiation forms from the sun breaks up the CFCs. Then children, next we'll see that the breaking up action releases when the ultraviolet ozone layer that breaks. Then what happens? It releases chlorine atoms, and this chlorine atoms react with ozone, starting a chemical circle that destroys the good ozone in that area. Okay, so children, what happens? It destroys the good ozone in this area One chlorine atom can break apart more than 1 lakh ozone molecule, children. Here in this diagram you can see, I hope you will understand. So this is the way how the atom is broken in, from one chlorine atom breaks into so many things. Now children, before this also I have told you that human being is the major cause of the depletion of ozone layer. The causes of ozone depletion is, children, the man-made causes, that chlorofluorocarbon CFCs, halon methyl chloroform, and HCFCs, and natural causes. These are, see here, small diagram is also shown where you see that all cooling things and other objects which causes the depletion is shown here. You can show it with the help of a diagram in your copy. So children, this is the causes where you can see the depletion of the ozone, the harm to human, their impact of ozone depletion. What does it causes? What happens due to the depletion of ozone layer? This harm to the human health, more skin cancers, sunburns, and premature aging of skin, more cataracts, blindness, and other eye diseases are caused by this. Then adverse impact on plants, effects on plants, then psychological and developmental process of plants are affected by UVB radiation, even by amount of this. Now children, ozone, it affect animal and other material also, children. I hope children this much you have understand, and I'll show you quickly the next slide and then we'll end the lesson. Here also you can see the plant, how this affect the plants also. Because of the UVB present, it affects the plant, animal, and other things. Ozone is concentrated in the lower stratosphere between 15 to 30 kilometer above the earth's surface. The so-called ozone layer. Ozone can be produced by numerous chemical reactions, but the main mechanism in the atmosphere of its production and removal is absorption of ultraviolet radiant energy from the sun. And the maintenance of enough stratospheric ozone to absorb harmful UV sunlight is therefore vitally important in all form of earth. Children, will end up the class. Only I want to show you the ozone layer, children. Just see the ozone. I will show you the hole, ozone hole that we have that is given in your book. That ozone hole you can see here. In 1982, you see it was so small, 1982, and thus see how much big it has been. It has grown into in 2011, and 9 more years is added in 2020, children. So we have to be very careful and take care of the earth and use the things properly so that ozone layer may not be destroyed. So children, we'll stop the class just now. I'll stop the class just now. You read this much. Global warming we'll take in the next class. Take care, children. Have a good day.